Hello, my name is Maria Prozoroff, and this is part 1 of the Live Classroom tutorial series. In this brief tutorial, you will learn how to set up your live classroom. Once you've logged into Blackboard, go to the left panel menu and click on Control Panel. Under the Course Options menu, select Manage Course menu. Here, click on Add Content Area at the bottom. Here, click on Add Content Area at the top of the page. For name, enter Virtual Lectures, and then click Submit at the bottom of the page. You have now added Virtual Lectures to your content area. You can either click OK to go back to the main page or select Control Panel to go directly. Under the Content Areas menu, click on Virtual Lectures. Go all the way to the right and drop down the Learning Unit menu and select Live Classroom. Once you've selected Live Classroom, click Go. Now you need to create your room. Click on Create Room halfway through the page. Enter a title, and you can also add a description if you would like. Scroll down towards the bottom of the page and you will see number 5, Access Settings. Click on the arrowhead. In order to allow guest speakers to access your live classroom and also for students to access it if they cannot get to Blackboard, you need to enable guest access. Click on the Guest Access box. Once you've done that, click Submit. Now you need to select the room that you've just created, in this case Maria's live classroom, and then go down to the bottom of the page and click Submit again. Once you've created and selected your live classroom, you can change the link name for something more suitable for your class. You can change it to whatever your course name is, the course number, or in my case, I've kept the same name. You can also choose the color of the live classroom, and you can choose the date and time restrictions surrounding it. Once you've customized it to your satisfaction, click Submit. Now you can click on the live classroom at the bottom to enter it, or you can go back to the main screen. From the main screen, click on Virtual Lectures. Then enter the classroom that you have created. When you log into the main screen of Live Classroom, there are a couple of key points of information. You are given a dial-in number. This number allows you and students, as well as guest speakers, to call in to participate in Live Classroom via phone. This is useful for you and your students if you are having problems with an internet connection. It also allows guest speakers to enter it without having to register for a Blackboard account. Once you've dialed in, you will be asked for a PIN code. As an instructor, use the instructor PIN code. For students and guest speakers, it is recommended that you give them the student PIN code. Also, if you have a guest speaker or student who is having troubles with Blackboard, you can give them the guest link provided here. This allows them to access the live classroom without going through Blackboard. At the bottom of the front page, you will see an archive. The archive allows you to pre-record lectures or to record lectures as you give them. Students can then access these recordings when they enter Live Classroom. To learn how to record an archive, listen to Lecture Part 3. When you're ready to enter the room, click Enter. The first time you and your students enter the live classroom, you should run the setup wizard. You will only have to do this once. Once you've already run the wizard, you can click here at the bottom. For more detailed information about how to use Live Classroom and all of its features, view Parts 2, 3, and 4 of Live Classroom tutorials. Part 2 introduces you to communicating with your students. Part 3 allows you to use and modify the content menu. Part 4 teaches you how to start breakout rooms and how to download questionnaires. You can also contact us at 215-204-2712 or email us at online@temple.edu.